Here in the lower mainland of British Columbia, we live in a rainforest environment. Fungi of all kinds thrive here. In nature, fungi help things decompose. That moss you see on your roof? Yeah, it's decomposing your roof. That's not what we want. At Jordan Douglas ShieldX, we've come up with the most cost-effective solution on the market for protecting your house from these decomposing organisms. Here's how it works. Moss never sleeps. It will keep attacking your house year after year, and if left unchecked, it grows in an exponential way. That's why our program comes with an initial charge to get rid of the moss, and then a low annual maintenance fee. We get rid of the moss and make sure it never has a chance to come back. The great thing about this nipping in the bud way of doing it is that it keeps the cost low. We never let the moss take over your roof again, creating a huge job.